This channel does not promote any violence, harmful or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
My lord, I am appearing on behalf of the petitioners. Now, there are two matters, my lord, item number 13 and 14. Both are similar matters and same parties. My lord, I am a winner of a lottery ticket. The prize
Winner of a lottery ticket,
Lottery.
very lucky. Hardly people gets to be so lucky.
Twice lucky, my lord.
Twice? Yes.
Now, what happened is they have not disbursed me the
Money.
prize amount.
Who has not disbursed?
This is the Nagaland lottery. I have made my representation in page 12, my lord.
How
The
is
Directorate of the-
how is the state of West Bengal involved with the
State is-
Nagaland?
the state governing this lottery. This is the Nagaland state lottery is only a lottery that is being sold by the West as per the instructions that I've received through the West Bengal governed lotteries. The West Bengal state is governing all the lotteries that is being sold in this state. This is one-
Nagaland state lottery will be sold by the state
Yes,
of
my-
West Bengal.
yes, my lord.
What?
Because,
Yes.
my lord, this is the nodal officer is the director of Nagaland lottery.
Yes.
They are only selling their lotteries to West Bengal.
What do you mean by
government-
through West Bengal? In
government-
West Bengal is something else.
In
But
West
through
Bengal,
West Bengal is
my lord,
something.
in West Bengal, whatever lotteries are to be sold, that has to come within the purview of the state government. They are doing the business of selling lotteries.
Who is doing the business?
The
Did the
Nagaland
state? So go before the Nagaland authority.
My lord,
Why
this is
here?
the state is maintaining these as per
State
the
is
lottery rules.
maintaining?
My lord, as per the lottery
I
rules,
do not follow it.
my lord, as per the lottery rules of 2010, it is under the state government.
See page 9. You have annexed a document. The very first line mentions Government of Nagaland.
Yes, yes.
Director of State Lotteries, Kohima, Nagaland.
Yes, my lord.
Then how is the writ petition maintainable here?
And the analyze the conditions. It will be sold in West Bengal only.
The Nagaland authority may have a camp office over here, but that does not mean that the state government has any role to play in the lottery.
It is being looked after by the state government, my lord.
How can it be?
Yes, my lord. My lord, as per the rules, power of the state government to make rules. The state
This is for the state of West Bengal.
yes, my
West Bengal government will not make rules for Nagaland.
no, my lord. The lotteries are being sold by the Nagaland government is actually a seller of the lotteries.
Obviously,
They are
it's
they are
Nagaland
simply-
government's
they are the
lottery.
vendors of these lottery tickets.
Yes,
They are the vendors of these lottery tickets who are doing business in West Bengal.
doesn't matter. They can do it.
Yes,
But if you have a claim, you go over there.
my lord, this office is situated in West Bengal. This particular lottery is being monitored by the state of West Bengal.
Why will this state
Because-
monitor somebody else, other states' work?
My lord, as per the rules, section 12.
Sorry, let me hear. Yes.
I am appearing for the Nagaland authority.
Yes, what is your
As
claim?
fallen from my lord, state government, I mean the government of West Bengal has a very limited role to play. May I tell your lordship, there is an act of 1998, your lordship knows that. The rules are that of 2010. Only and only if the state decides to prohibit or ban any lottery, organizing any lottery within the state, then the state, the state, say for example, state of West Bengal, bans the sale of paper lotteries within the state, then the state will not organize its own lottery in the state and also not allow the other lotteries organized by the other states to sell the lottery tickets. Otherwise, there is no other regulatory function of the state government. A. The B is that here the organizing state is the state of Nagaland. I am representing the Directorate of Lotteries, Government of Nagaland. And so as this petitioner is concerned, the petitioner has not disclosed before your lordship. There is a criminal case which has been registered, an FIR has been registered in the state of Nagaland, whereby the tickets which he has produced, the genuineness of the tickets are in question. Because admittedly, when the petitioner was summoned to Nagaland, the petitioner made a disclosure that he purchased the ticket by paying 68 lakhs to some other agency. So these are disputed questions of fact, and if there is no question of territorial jurisdiction, man, as fallen from matter. There is nothing to do here. He has to approach the appropriate court.
Here for the state,
For the state as well as state of West Bengal.
no role to play.
I understand the state has prime officer, no role to play.
My lord,
And I have the copy of FIR also. If your lordship so desires, I can place that.
Go before Nagaland and settle it out.
my lord, clearly as per there is a power of the state government to make rules. The state
Yes,
government
that's
has
true.
power.
That's true.
Nobody is challenging the power.
Nobody is challenging that
It
power.
is as per the rules of this state of West Bengal. The rules have been formulated by virtue of which the state of Nagaland
come.
is selling the tickets. And
The
I have purchased
petitioner
tickets
claims-
out here, my lord.
The petitioner claims to have won a lottery, which was floated by the government of Nagaland. Not floated, published by the government of Nagaland. Stop. Next. He submits that the prize money has not been disbursed in his favor. Stop. Paragraph. The petitioner has annexed the application for lottery prize claim allegedly issued by the government of Nagaland, Directorate of State Lotteries. Stop. It appears therefrom that the petitioner submitted the application before the nodal officer of the Nagaland State Lotteries having a camp office at Kolkata. Stop. Apart from a camp office within the state of West Bengal, the entire activity of the lottery is conducted by the government of Nagaland. Stop. The state of West Bengal hardly has a role to play in the matter. Stop. Learned advocate, learned senior counsel representing the Nagaland state lotteries and also the nodal officer of the said lotteries having camp office at Kolkata submits that this court does not have the territorial jurisdiction to decide the issue. Stop. There is a criminal complaint lodged against the petitioner. Stop. The petitioner has been directed to visit the concerned officer in Nagaland, which the petitioner failed to adhere to.
No.
Medical officer.
Made the
But-
officer.
Made the officer concerned Nagaland, and the petitioner duly attended
Yes.
the same. Stop. Paragraph. Can you say that no part of the cause of action arose within the state of West Bengal?
Well, I tell you,
State will not do anything.
because the action which would lie, that would lie strictly against the government of Nagaland.
Nagaland. Yes.
My lord, so far as the cause of action is there, my lord, there is a camp office for every lottery, wherever lotteries are held and allowed to be organized or allowed to be sold. Camp offices will be there. But I know what is troubling your lordship, my lord, this whether a minuscule part of cause of action. But this is not a case, my lord, where they can get relief. And my lord,
Achha.
and so far as the criminal case is concerned, my lord, I will not be able to, my lord, bring on record, or they will not be able to challenge that criminal case before a law.
আচ্ছা,
So
next
in the
হচ্ছে
criminal case, you have been granted bail, man.
Oh,
bail is a different
there is
thing.
nothing disclosed.
Bail is a different
It's a
thing
new information
altogether.
for me also.
And it was made out subsequently. After filing of this writ, I received a summons to
Uh, it has been submitted that the records of the criminal case are lying within the jurisdiction of the state of Nagaland, and it will not be possible for state of Nagaland ওখানেই ছেড়ে দিন। ঠিক আছে? Upon hearing the parties, it appears that the petitioner has a claim against the government of Nagaland, and the petitioner ought to approach the competent court within the said state for obtaining relief. Stop. The relief sought for by the petitioner in the instant writ petition cannot be allowed by this court. The writ petition fails and is hereby dismissed. Affidavit of service taken on record. Next one also same.
liberty to
It will be, yes, I have mentioned. Dismissal.
Next matter is identical, my lord.
Dismissal of the writ petition will not stand in the way of the petitioner to approach the competent court for relief in accordance with
I
law.
would like
So
to follow
advised.
the luck of the petitioner getting two wins in 1 week, 1 crore each. 2 weeks.
Next, 13 and 14 same.